Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to mass hiring updates from top company. We have updates from Wipro, Tech Mahindra and IBM, and there is an update from Accenture as well. Accenture PADA SASA opportunity is closed. The thing is, after 2 years they closed the opportunity. Now only PWD Application Development Associate and SA opportunity is active, and there is a new hiring, that is a System and Application Service Associate. It is related to BSc, BPT, BOT, B Pharma. So the thing is, I think they are updating their portal, or the registration for the particular hiring is closed. Okay, so we have to wait for the new update from the Accenture team. Most probably in the upcoming month, or in the according to their timeline, we will see the update from Accenture. Okay, so till apply for other opportunities as well, we are sharing the latest hiring with all of you, so it will very helpful for everyone. Let's discuss about our second company update, that is related to Wipro Elite. As we know that Wipro Elite is currently hiring for the 2024 batch. Okay, like Wipro Elite opportunities for 2024 batch, candidates are asking about like after online assessment, what is the process. So this is the process. After online assessment, there is a SVAR test, that is a voice assessment. After that, technical interview will be there. After that, HR interview will be there, and pre-skilling training, LOI, and the next process. So many of the candidates are asking what about the cutoff for the first online assessment. So candidate mentioned difficulty level of aptitude test is easy to medium, then a communication test which is 20 minutes, and many students may get rejected because they will see spelling error, punctuation error like full stop. Your selection not depends on this, but also on backspace that you use while writing essay. So this thing you have to also know about essay writing and all the topic, because in the online assessment we know that aptitude topics are there. Okay, technical MCQs they mention, coding they mention, and essay writing. So I asked to candidate how many coding question you solved in Wipro online assessment, how was your aptitude test and essay writing. So candidate mentioned there were two questions, sir. Both I solved within 10 minutes. Both were so easy. All question I solved in aptitude, logical and English. Okay. And the candidate given the first round on the 9th February. Okay, 9th February he given the online assessment. Okay, and after that on 16th February he got the next mail, that is related to SVAR. Okay, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So most probably total 6 to 7 days. After 6 to 7 days or 1 week we received the update of SVAR. So if you completed your online assessment yesterday on 16th February, so most probably in the upcoming week you will receive the update that is related to SVAR round. Okay, candidate already mentioned this thing that I solved all the question in the coding examination. Okay, so one most important point, what about the essay writing. Okay, so candidate mentioned that there is a there is a topic. Okay, there is a topic in essay, impact of bravest moment in your life. We have to write 180 minimum words, and I think 220 words were maximum. Okay, but previously I personally shared the candidate experience of Wipro. So candidate already mentioned that they are also checking also backspace that you use while writing essay. So ये कुछ small small things है, वो आपको ध्यान रखनी पड़ती है. Okay, and candidate also mention here, make sure to use normal and formal language. In programming I got two coding question. I think duration is 20 minutes for coding. It is mandatory to solve two coding question completely to get communication mail. My friends who solved one question completely but solve half of the second question got rejection mail. अगेन ये डिपेंड करेगा विप्रो टीम पे. ओके, इट विल टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन विप्रो टीम ओवरऑल कट ऑफ. ओके, but it will totally depends on them, but it is a candidate experience and candidate shared this experience. Okay, then communication assessment, SVAR. Okay, voice assessment, in which candidate mention mic condition is good because it will make a huge difference in selection. Okay, so in SVAR round make sure mic is proper. Okay, और यहाँ पर सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से रहे. सो इन द आफ्टर ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट, ओके, देयर इज अ वॉइस असेसमेंट राउंड that is related to SVAR. You will receive the update from Wipro team. Congratulations on successfully clear the online assessment. After technical interview, HR, LOI, pre-skilling training and offer letter. Okay, NGA campus string in. After that offer letter will be released. What about the SVAR? In the SVAR, it is a communication test and total 7 sections are there. Short questions are there, okay, conversation are there, read and speak, okay, then listen and speak, fill in the blanks, correct the sentence, and free speech. I suggest everyone to practice question on YouTube. You will find lot of videos on YouTube that is related to SVAR, and I also made the video that is related to SVAR 2 days ago. So you will get to know about the idea what is related to SVAR. Okay, so it is all about the Wipro. Let's discuss about our next company update, that is Tech Mahindra. But if you wanted to check the complete candidate experience, because with the help of our support and candidates effort, finally candidate received the LOI from the Wipro. So you can check out the video, it is present in the playlist of Wipro. Let's discuss about our next company, that is Tech Mahindra. Okay, many of the candidates are asking what are the current process of Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra Freshers Evolution process is ongoing phase 2. After completing the technical round, candidates are eligible for the HR round, and some of the candidate, they are also attending the HR round today itself. Okay, means phase wise process are ongoing. We know that first phase is completed, second phase is completed. Okay, you will receive the fifth round invitation mail shortly. So the thing is, there are two query in our mind that there is no update after applying, and what is phase wise process. As I already said, phase wise process means a different dates. This is phase number 1, this is phase number 2, and this is phase number 3, this is phase number 4, and so on. Okay, so Tech Mahindra team is always conduct a process in the form of phases. Phases means different dates are there. Okay, not all candidate received the update on the same date. Okay, suppose Tech Mahindra team is sending, for example, suppose Tech Mahindra team is sending test mail to 1000 candidate in first phase. Okay, 1K candidates को उन्होंने यहाँ पर टेस्ट मेल भेजा, देन फिर उन्होंने 500 कैंडिडेट्स को यहाँ पर टेस्ट मेल भेजा, फिर यहाँ पर 500 कैंडिडेट्स को टेस्ट मेल भेजा, फिर फेज 4 में ऐसे टेस्ट मेल भेजा. तो ये एक फेजेस वाइज प्रोसेस होती है. जस्ट सी दैट प्रीवियस ईयर टेक महिंद्रा अनाउंस्ड द हायरिंग इन विच दे क्लियरली मेंशन 25 जुलाई को एक टेस्ट था और फिर एक 23 अक्टूबर को भी आया. तो जुलाई मीन्स अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर. ओके, जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर एंड October. So like after 2 to 3 months also we are getting the update from the Tech Mahindra team. Okay, so ये जो Tech Mahindra team है वो phases में ही काम करते हैं. अब मान लीजिए उन्होंने फर्स्ट से सेकेंड मंथ में आपको टेस्ट मेल भेजा, फिर थर्ड मंथ कोई टेस्ट मेल नहीं, अपडेट नहीं आया, फिर 4 मंथ में आएगा. सो द थिंग इज इफ योर प्रोफाइल ओके in the Tech Mahindra, the eligibility criteria is fulfilled. If you fulfill the eligibility criteria, so you will receive the test mail from the Tech Mahindra team. So we have to wait for the next phase, that is third phase. Okay, and I am hoping that they will send the update in the upcoming weeks or according to their timelines. Let's discuss about the IBM. As we know that IBM is currently hiring for the AAC opportunity, and it is one of the mass hiring for 2024 batch. Okay, so the thing is IBM team is currently conducting the physical interviews as well, or physical process as well. 19th and 20 February, reporting time 8:30, means it is a venue related process. Okay, means you have to go to venue and you have to attend the test. Selection criteria, all stages are elimination round, in which coding assessment, physical event, online written assessment, offline interviews are there. So the thing is IBM team is currently conducting the process in the form of phases. Okay, if you see that, so this is a phase wise process. Okay, one thing that I have to mention, many of the candidates are receiving this type of mail again and again, that you have to apply for associate system engineer hiring, gentle reminder, you have to complete the redundancy form. Just understand one most important point, this is your person ID. Okay, this is your person ID, you already noted your person ID. Okay, and in the redundancy form you already filled the redundancy form. Okay, so वापस fill करने की क्या ज़रूरत है, उनके पास तो डिटेल्स चली ही गई है आपकी. They clearly mention here it is a gentle reminder, and they clearly mention we will reach out if your profile meets our criteria. अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल जो है वो मीट करेगी क्राइटेरिया, इफ़ योर प्रोफाइल इज शॉर्ट लिस्टेड, सिंपल भाषा में गए हैं, so they will send the next update that is related to test. Okay, but for the IBM hiring patience is very important because ये multiple dates में आपकी एग्जाम्स और हायरिंग प्रोसेस को कंडक्ट करवाएंगे. ओके, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मास रिक्रूटर एंड द फेजेस वाइल प्रोसेस विल बी देयर. ओके, सो वी हैव टू वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट अपडेट. बट यहाँ पर मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि according to the Wipro Tech Mahindra IBM, apply for other opportunities as well, so it will very helpful for everyone. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.